What if your future career doesn't come with a permanent job, but with multiple apps? No fixed office. No monthly salary. No guaranteed employer. Welcome to the gig economy. A world where people earn money task by task, project by project, and skill by skill. Today, millions of people work through platforms like Uber Technologies, Swiggy, Fiverr, and Upwork instead of traditional 9-to-5 jobs. And this shift is happening faster than most people realize. According to reports, the global gig economy could grow beyond $450 billion. Why are so many people choosing this path? Freedom. Flexible working hours. Remote opportunities. And the ability to build multiple income streams instead of depending on a single salary. But there's a hidden reality too. No paid leave. No guaranteed monthly income. No pension. No job security. One slow month can directly impact your lifestyle, savings, and future plans. Because in the gig economy, income may become flexible, but financial planning becomes more important than ever. The gig economy is changing the meaning of a career. In the future, stability may not come from one company, but from having multiple skills and income sources. Maybe the next generation won't ask, "What job do you do?" They'll ask, "What skills make you money?" Give it a thought. Are we moving toward a future where skills matter more than jobs? And are you ready to adapt to this new economy before it completely changes the way we work and earn? If you enjoy exploring the future of money, work, and finance, don't forget to subscribe to Ink Tank Finance.